In this video, we're continuing section day 5, some more log equations. Just a reminder that you cannot take the log of 0 or a negative number. So when you're solving these, just make sure you're checking for extraneous solutions and not including those as your solutions that you list. Also recall that I need to condense any log expressions if there's more than one on the same side of the equal sign. So here, because those match, I can condense using my log property. Subtraction turns to division. So I have log base 4. First number is my numerator, and the second argument is my denominator. So now that I have one log expression, I can apply an exponential of 4 to cancel log base 4. So I have 100 over x plus 1 equals 4. I'm going to multiply both sides by x plus 1 to get that out of the denominator. So I have 100 equals 4x plus 4. So 96 equals 4x. So x is equal to 24. I'm thinking this is probably fine because it's positive, but it's just good to plug it back into the original and check. So if I plug it back in here, 24 plus 1 is positive 25. We could take the log of that. Okay, here I have x to the 4th equals 8. So we can also use the log property of that out in front. I can pull that exponent down and write it as 4 times log base 5 of x equals 8. Why this is helpful, dealing with some smaller numbers now. I'm dividing by 4 to get the log piece by itself. So I have log base 5 of x is equal to 2. Now I can apply an exponential of 5 to cancel that. So I have x is equal to 5 squared, or 25. And if I were to put 25 back in there for x, it's going to be positive and defined. Okay, another condensing property. So this one's addition, so it's going to condense to multiplication. So log base 4 of x minus 1 times 3x minus 1 equals 2. So now I can apply my exponential of base 4 to both sides. Okay. Here I'm going to go ahead and distribute. So I get 3x squared minus x minus 3x plus 1. And then 4 squared gives us 16. I'm going to set it equal to 0 because I have a quadratic here. So I have 3x squared minus 4x minus 15. Okay, I can solve by factoring or the quadratic formula. I'm going to see if this one factors nicely. So a times c. So numbers that multiply to be 45 that add up to negative 4, 9 and 5. So I have x minus 9, x plus 5, and I'm doing the reduce and bottoms up method where now I would divide by my leading coefficient. And if it doesn't reduce, then bottoms up. Okay, solve. So now I'm going to set each of these equal to 0 and solve. So I have x minus 3 equals 0 or 3x minus 5 equals 0. So x equals 3. Let's check that. So if I did 3 minus 1, I'm positive. 3 times 3, 9 minus 1, positive. So 3 is good. 3 is a workable solution. Here, subtract 5. Or excuse me, add 5, divide by 3. Did I do that right? Yes. No, I didn't. Sorry, guys. I changed my sign down here. This should be positive. Positive. So this is negative, negative. Okay. So now if I put negative 5/3 in, if I were to do that here, negative 5/3 minus 1, this expression's negative, so this is extraneous. So x equals 3 is my only solution from that solution set. Okay, that's it for day 4.